Well, y'all can see it actually worked. Putting the pipe on with the little extension and running the hose to the back and around the back of the engine all the way around to the other side over here after turning the fitting on the thermostat housing. And there's no leaks at all. You can see where I added the spacer and a spacer under the bolt. So if you have to replace the Y pipe on the 3.8, you'll have to buy that tube that I showed you guys in the first video and do that modifications to it. And rerun your hose that runs across the up under the plenum. You'll have to just rerun it off that pipe, second small pipe, and just run it carefully in the back all the way around to the other side, and you'll be good to go. All right.